Hello YouTubers, today I have an unboxing. I haven't cubed in a while and I noticed in the community that everybody was working with magnetic cubes, so I figured I need to test one myself, but instead of spending 30-40 bucks on a magnetic cube, I decided to buy this one, the Z cube. I bought it from Lightake and it was only $6 or $7, so let's see what we can make out of it. Well, seem the standard shades. Light is the white color is a bit showing yellow, so I guess they have been stacked on, so a yellow cube has been on this one. Well, let's see for first turns. Interesting. I can tell that there are magnetics in, because it has a small bump. You can see it wants to stop at every turn because of the magnetics. Well, I must say, for a $6 cube, this is really quite an interesting cube. Yeah, it's quite nice. It reminds me a lot of the Moyu Tanglong. Yeah, look a little bit like Tanglong pieces, but then again, with the white and black pieces, it reminds me a lot of a Gans puzzle, so they might be imitating Gans. Well, it doesn't feel like a Gans at all. Yeah, interesting. The magnetics are not, you see, it doesn't align this, but when you turn, it wants to stop at the correct position. So it needs some lube, and it needs to be tensioned, but so far so good. I think I'm going to do a one-time solve and then finish the video. Okay. Not too bad. So all in all, $6 well spent. Nice cube. Thanks for watching.